Ndifuna uthetha ngale pen ekuthiwa yiBic. Ndikhule ndisebenzisa yona le pen. Esikolweni bendibhala ngayo. Iitest ndizifeyila ndibhala ngayo. Ezinye ndizipasa ndibhala ngale Bic. Sometimes bendikopa eklasini ndibhale ngale Bic. And ndiyeva ngoku ukuthi iBic is celebrating 60 years ikhona. So it is a pen that has been there for years. There are a few things endizinotisayo ngepen. Point number one, ipen ayibizwa ngoba yipen kuba ine-ink. Naxa iphelile i-ink isabizwa ngoba yi-ball pen. So in life, you are not defined by what you have. You are not defined by material things. Even when they have taken and repossessed material things, you are still a human being. Just like a pen still remains a pen, even without ink. So stop committing suicide just because izinto ziphelile. Umsebenzi uphelile, imoto zithathiwe, awusakwazi ukuthenga izinto ezifancy. Kuphela i-ink. You know, ungahlulwa ipen uzibulale wena. I-pen remains a pen even without ink. And the pen has done a lot of work. Emitshatweni xa kusayinwa ngale ball pen. Xa ubanjwa ungene prison. Kusayinwa ngale ball pen. Xa ungene esibhedlela kusayinwa ngale ball pen. Xa ungene emotuary yile ball pen. Awusayini kanene xa ungene emotuary kusho ukuthi usayinelwa ngabantu. But i-ball pen yenza yonke into. Esikolweni kuthola i-degrees yile pen. Kuzo zonke indawo, national diploma yile pen, xa uqashwa yile pen. It has done a lot of work. In the end, when ink is finished, guess what happens? People throw it in the bin. But one thing I like about a pen, it does not stop being a pen because it has now run out of ink. It is still a pen even without ink. So in life, no matter how much troubles you are facing, you are still a human being. You still need to be greeted. You still need to be appreciated. You are appreciated even without ink in life. Because in life, you will always run out of ink. Imagine if you were defined by ink in your life. All the time when you run out of money, we disrespect you. That would not